Energy is at the forefront of a lot of our discussions, and I think it's important that we are aware of what are we using this energy for, and are there more effective ways that we can be using this energy. My name is Darlene, and I'm a resident of the city of Red Deer. Perhaps initially in my younger adulthood, we did things because they'd always been that way before, and there wasn't that much of a focus. I think it's important because this planet is the only one that I'll ever get to live on, and I would like to leave it in great shape for those generations that follow.
My name is Jonathan. I'm a resident of the city of Red Deer. I'm interested in becoming more energy efficient and sort of reducing my impact on the city and the environment. When I was in high school, I was part of the environmental club as it was starting up. It was just sort of the beginning of the awareness of, our impact on everything around us. The workshop today was really about how to use energy more efficiently in your home to be more comfortable and place less demand on the environment.
We're now such a global community, seeing how people live in other countries of the world and how we have to be protective of the natural resources that we do have. Basic things that I learned were the different types of structures that people live in, how their energy needs are different. I was about to start spring cleaning and the shower was on my list, and I got here today and found out we were talking about shower heads. And I'm going to try the one that is more energy efficient, and I just might like it enough that other people will be inspired to do the same thing when I talk to my friends.
It saves me money, it saves the environment, it reduces the use of the natural resources, and it just makes the world better for my children. So if you want to learn more about being energy conscious, please go to reddeer.ca/energywise.
I think there's always things that we can learn and keep adapting to make the planet better.